viewer, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today I'll show you how to make a DIY easy Barbie doll bed. You can make it with very few materials. So let's get started. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more updates. To make a Barbie doll bed, we'll need some materials. They are a shoe box, scissors, ruler, pen, marker, Fevicol, glue stick, color paper, a Barbie doll for measurement, masking tape. First, we will cut the sides of the shoebox as shown in the video. After cutting the sides of the shoebox, we will place masking tape inside the box for more support. I am placing more tapes to make the box sturdy. I am placing masking tape also outside the box. Now I am measuring the lid of the box to make the headboard of the bed. I am measuring my doll with the box. I am also placing masking tape to side of the box lid. I folded a paper in half and draw a pattern for our headboard of the bed. Now I am cutting the pattern. Now I am measuring the pattern with the lid of the box. Now I am covering the lid of the box with color paper. I paste paper both sides of the lid. Now I am placing the pattern and cutting the headboard of the bed. Now I am covering the upper side of the box with coloring papers. I am using glue stick to cover the box. Please follow the steps as shown in the video. Now I am measuring 2 inch both sides of the box and mark it. Then cut it. Do the same as shown in the video. After cutting both sides, it will kinda look like a bed. Now I will cover other 3 sides of the box. Leave one side where we will attach the headboard. You can use Fevicol, glue stick or masking tape to paste the headboard. I am using Fevicol to paste the headboard with the shoebox. Press the headboard of the bed tightly and wait for 5 minutes. Now see how easy it is to make. Now I am decorating it with some bed cover and pillows. It is very easy to make. You can make it for your kids or sisters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment down below.